I found out about Rolling Rock through recommendations from custom builders that I work with and have worked with in the past. I was looking for a very unique stone, something that had to be put together and mixed custom for the application. And Rolling Rock came highly recommended from some very high-end custom builders in that regard.
The beauty, the elegance, the durability of natural stone. As a building material, it offers a unique, time-tested, and visually distinctive quality to your residential or commercial project. The mineral-rich foothills of southeastern Pennsylvania are home to a company that supplies the building trade with a very special blend of time-honored service and a commitment to quality. That company is Rolling Rock Building Stone. At Rolling Rock, the cornerstone for success is an unmatched, uncompromising dedication to customer satisfaction. It's for this reason that doing business with Rolling Rock Building Stone has a natural appeal. What makes Rolling Rock different? Rolling Rock prides itself on having one of the largest, most diverse selections of natural stone products anywhere for interior, exterior, and landscape applications. This includes a wide range of natural stone veneers, flagstone, wall stone, stepping stones, landscape boulders, decorative gravel, and Belgian blocks. In addition to this comprehensive selection of natural stone products, comes another essential element in the Rolling Rock equation: unmatched personal service. At Rolling Rock, the customer comes first and foremost. The sincere desire to see that the customer's every need is satisfied, from project startup to completion, dictates a company-wide commitment to perfection. Whether those customers come from its vast wholesale distributor network or from the retail side, Rolling Rock performs.
I've been doing business here for now more than 28 years, and my service is real prompt. I can make orders and they get them there when I need them. I don't have to wait days on end to try to get the materials.
We've been using Rolling Rock Building Stone for approximately 40 years, even before I was in the business. They've consistently given us good product at a reasonable price.
I selected Rolling Rock Quarry for the stone on my own personal house. Since that time, I've recommended them to various builders because I've been completely satisfied with their service to me.
Natural fieldstone products have been a long-time specialty at Rolling Rock. These choice varieties, which have endured the ages, are individually graded for size, color, shape, and texture to Rolling Rock's exacting specifications. For those varieties not quarried by Rolling Rock, the company inventories an impressive array of natural stone products from other regions of the United States, as well as Canada, Mexico, and Asia. The applications for Rolling Rock's products are as diverse as its selection, from new homes, additions, and innovative landscaping, to corporate office parks. From renovation and restoration of historical landmarks to the most demanding custom work, Rolling Rock continues to build on its impressive tradition of satisfied customers in over 20 states. Some examples of past accomplishments include the exclusive Hermitage development, the Limerick Garden of Memories, restoration of the historic Pagoda landmark, rest areas for interstate highways and turnpikes, and the Blue Marsh Recreation Area. Whatever the application, Rolling Rock provides a dignified, beautiful, and long-lasting alternative to your building needs the natural way. You've now observed the inner workings of a very special and successful company. The next step is up to you. For your next building project, do you want the highest quality product in one of the widest selections available, matched by uncompromising service? At Rolling Rock Building Stone, generations of satisfied customers have provided a cornerstone for success.
Again, their quality is second to none. We completed a job for the Army Corps of Engineers using all Rolling Rock's stone, the Blue Marsh project just northeast of Reading. And in jest, I always say, if you can please the Army Corps of Engineers, you can please anyone.
Call today or plan a visit. and you'll see why doing business with Rolling Rock Building Stone has such a natural appeal.